Daddy
and
Kittens! Dining room. Living room. Dining room. Living room. Dining room. Living room.
I have some things for you. Hello.
Hello.
Today we will make building block stickers. To make building block stickers, we need paper. We need black pen. We need pencil. We need ruler. We need scissors. Don't forget you cannot use scissors if your parents not around. We need double-sided sticky tape. We need color pencils. And we need building blocks, so we know what stickers do we need. Are you ready?
Go.
Let's go!
Study room. Living room. Kitchen. Bedroom. Dining room. Bathroom. Mudroom. Toilet. Sponsored by IKEA English.